to make a little loop for the wire to go into the groove and doesn't get stuck. Okay. So here we have the grooves. There's slots in here. I'm going to insert the wire here. And then push it all the way until it comes out on the other end. So through these slots, I gotta fish out the wire, pull it out, the same process. Showing the same pretty much. We can either do it one way or another. We can start push the start cycle right here. Takes about 5 seconds to get it going. Once it's going, we press door open and hold it. We have to press the start cycle. The same process, 5 seconds to get it going. And then we press the ramp exit to push the bell out. On this one we have to hold it down until the bell all the way out. The way I do it here is so it looks all nice and neat. I came out with the idea of putting a couple of big cardboard pieces in the front. So for that, I need to push back the ramp. So I press the start cycle again. And then I press auto for the ramp to go back all the way. That's a resetting the ramp. Right there it's going like so. And it's going to stop. I leave this one until I have time to go get the coordinates. So we have a lot of boxes that we can use for this. This is what I came out with. Take one, and I place it over here. And it stays. Kind of hold it right there. And then again, manually push the door closed. And then again, and the same process. Either way, in this case, I'm gonna just press this door closed. And first it's gonna get the motor started. All done, closed and secure. I turn the conveyor on auto, that's the band, and then I press it auto so you can go. It starts going. Then we start with the same process through here, which is start emptying the trailers until it gets full again. Right now I'm out of full trailer, so and this is how the process is done.